Good afternoon folks, it's Simon here at Vans today in Worcester, and I'm here to give you a video walk around of this 2024 on a 74 plate, the mighty new shape Ford Transit Custom. Now I'm a massive fan of these new fans, to be honest with you. Cracking bit of kit, lovely specification, good value for money. What more do you need? Now this particular one is a 24 on a 74 plate. So it was September 2024 registered. That means you will have the balance of the Ford warranty on it until September 2027. It has covered just 34,000 miles from its one keeper from new, come direct off the lease company. In great all-round specification now, condition I should say. Yeah, specification's good, but condition's also good. So for those of you that haven't seen any of our videos before, the purpose of the video is to give you a warts and all video walk around of the van, so you get an idea of exactly what it is that you're buying, and then you can make that informed decision whether this is the vehicle for you or not. Now overall I would say that this is in way above average condition for the age and the miles. See what you think at the end of the video, as I say. So a little bit less of my waffle, a little bit more of the videoing, hey? So we're going to head up here onto the roof. Now it hasn't come in with any form of roof rack fitted to it. You've probably got a better view of that roof than I have, but that's all looking pretty straight and tidy up there to me. Coming down onto the windscreen is a heated quick clear windscreen, so no more defrosting of the window in the winter. Down onto the bonnet, and the bonnet is in good all-round condition with no major marks or stone chips. Now you will always get the odd little bit of wear and tear, minute stone chipping. Anything we see, we will go through it with a touch-up stick and sort it for you, okay? Front grills, front bumpers, all in lovely tidy condition as well. We have just noticed a little stone chip there. We'll get that touched in for you before she goes out the door. Now we've got automatic Ford LED daytime running lights on this vehicle, and that headlamp unit on the passenger side, as you can see, is in good order. On the passenger side front bumper corner, again overall nice tidy condition with no scuffing. Having a look down the side profile of the van from this angle, hopefully you can see no major dents or dings. In fact, there's no dents or dings to point out to you at all on the van. She is very tidy. Around to the driver's side, I've got the engine running, folks, because it's about 30 odd degrees again, isn't it? Driver's side, as you can see, headlamp unit, that's in good order. Driver's side front bumper corner, again all in good order with no scuffs. Have a look down the side profile of the van from this angle, and again on the driver's side there are no major dents or dings to point out to you. Everything is looking very tidy. Driver's side front wing with alignment to bonnet and door, all looking good. Driver's side front factory alloy wheel. Alloy wheels in good condition with no damage, and we have a Goodyear tyre on this side, the tyre wall of which is in fine fettle, and the tyre itself I would suggest is around the 4mm mark. Let's quickly show you in the arches so you can see all properly cleaned properly by our valeting crew, all looking very nice and tidy. Colour coded electric mirror with integrated indicator, upper and lower mirrors all in good order as well. Driver's side door glass, that's looking good, and the driver's side door itself with alignment to front wing and rear quarter also in good condition as well. Door handle's good, door lock is all looking fine. Yes, the door's not quite closed. Let me close it properly, otherwise somebody will comment and go, oh, that's not aligned properly. There you go, all nicely aligned and in good condition with no major marks on there either. Getting down low, check out your lower sills. Those are in good condition with no damage. You have front mud flaps, and you have rear mud flaps. And that rear quarter on the driver's side overall is in really nice tidy condition. Shall we give you the overview from the side of the van from this angle? Look at that. Good looking van these new ones are, aren't they? And we can do you a wicked, God, am I 16 years old again? A lovely alloy wheel tyre upgrade on this, should you wish. Speak to us about it. Tyre wall on this side, we have a Goodyear, and the alloy wheel itself's in good order. In your arches there, you can see everything is lovely and clean and tidy. Tyre tread depths, I'd suggest, is around the 4mm mark. All looking good. Bumper corners on the rear, all looking good. Reflectors all in good order. Rear light unit also in good order as well. Having a look down the side profile from this angle, and hopefully you can see a nice reflection to that paintwork, and again no major marks or anything really to point out to you. Now round to the rear of the vehicle, always the working end of the vehicle, and overall I would say above average condition. So we have rear barn doors on a 50-50 split. We have on these new ones a high level brake light right at the top there, and then your driver's side rear door, bring the camera down, you can see all in nice tidy order. The rear bumper itself, the valeting crew obviously didn't mop it or polish it, but we'll get that done, but overall nice and tidy. And then your passenger side rear door also in good order as well. Door handle on this side, it's all these electronic buttons behind here to open up the doors, and then inside here you've got another electronic button here which opens up the door on that side. Now in the back of it here we have a factory bulkhead. It does have the additional opening flap which will give you load length underneath your passenger seat. It's got the Ford resin flooring, and that is in lovely tidy condition. I know I'm battling the shadows. Ply lining inside is looking in good order as well. We've got LED interior lights in the back of it as well, but everything is, I think, in above average condition. So coloured paintwork, I should say, around the door aperture, lovely word, is in good order with no signs of any major abuse. And again, the inside of the rear doors, always a telltale of how hard a van has worked, is also looking in lovely tidy condition as well. So we'll close those up. Now these close up very nicely indeed, and we get to the corner parts on this side. The rear light unit on this side, it's got a sticker on it. I don't know why the valeting team didn't take the sticker off it. I'll get that taken off, but bumper corners all looking good. And as we have a look down the side profile of the van from this angle, you can see again she's all looking pretty tidy. So upper quarter this side looking good, lower quarter and arch on this side also looking good. We have another Goodyear tyre, so with my poor mathematics I'd suggest that's 3 Goodyears so far. Tyre wall on that one's good. Inside arches you can see is clean and tidy. Rear mud flap all present and correct. We have the most minor of minor little dings there. We have a little mark on the sliding door handle there. It's got a little scratch mark, I don't know whether you can see that. And we have a minor little ding on the paintwork there, okay? Sliding door, again, overall tidy. Getting down low, check out those lower sills, all in good order with no damage. And then the passenger side door, as you can see, also in good order as well. Door glass is fine, door handles fine, all of the door edges is also looking good. Upper and lower mirrors are fine, and the mirror case also in good order. Passenger side front wings looking good, and then your passenger side front alloy wheel is in good order. But we have a Firestone tyre on this one. Tyre wall's looking in good order. I'd suggest that's recently been replaced in excess of 6 to 7 millimeters. Open up the sliding door. It's a touch sensitive sliding door handle. I was going to come out with a joke then to do with something to do. No, let's not do jokes. We get into trouble with these kind of things nowadays, couldn't we? Entry seals and plastics in good order. Door shuts also in fine fettle as well. Looking inside the van. So inside the van, the daughter's just phoned me up. Cut off the video. We'll have to tap it all together. I am no Steven Spielberg or Matt Armstrong when it comes to this malarkey. So anyway, bulkhead, as you can see, all in good order. There's your opening hatch, same as the old ones. Opens up like that. You can just see where I've thrown the price board. Magnetizes to the upper bulkhead that way. Gives you that additional load length in the back of the vehicle, doesn't it? Right. Close that up. Open that one. So, passenger side door card is in very tidy condition. Inside the door bins are good. You have minor little bits of marks on the plastics, but we're talking very minor. We sell used vans after all, ladies and gents, not new ones. Sill, all looking good. Behind this flap here, we have your diesel fuel filler and your AdBlue filler. The rubber flooring inside is in good condition. We can supply you with a set of genuine Ford rubber mats for this vehicle. I always tend to go genuine on the rubber mat because they fit a lot nicer than the others. And we can also supply you with a set of black waterproof seat covers as well that are custom for the vehicle. Custom for the custom. Obviously the valeting crew didn't find the little knife there, so well, it's a plastic one, folks, don't worry, plastic. These seats, they fold up and fold over like that way, and as I've already mentioned, I've thrown the paper mat and the price board below those, but nice bit of storage under there for you. Glove box, locking wheel nuts in there, and all of your handbooks are in there, and then you've got an upper glove box here for you as well. The aircon is currently ticking over lovely cold through those vents. Open up the bonnet, pull it back twice, that opens up your bonnet. We have cup holders there, cup holders in the door. Have a quick gander underneath this bonnet. Okay, so first things first, your bonnet bolts are original paintwork. They're not chipped. It's always a good way of seeing whether it's had panel work off on it. The same can be said for your bonnet bolts as well. On each side, those are looking good. We have battery, engine bay, as you can see, is really clean and tidy. Airbox is right on the top there. Brake fluid there, oil filler is there, and there's your coolant, and that's the correct colour coolant for Ford with no contamination. It's all looking very good indeed. Driver's side door card also in good order as well. Electric windows and electric folding mirrors with central locking. The door shuts again are in lovely, tidy, clean condition. Entry sills and steps and plastics are also in good order. Driver's side rubber floor all looking good. Pedal rubbers are in good condition as well. The driver's side seat base, as you can see, also in lovely, tidy condition. Height adjustment on here, brake adjustment over here, lumbar support there. Cup holder, we have additional storage on the top there. We have auto lights down here. We have auto wipers, electric folding mirrors, did I mention? Multifunction for your telephone and your whole onboard computer system on the center display here, or the driver's display here. And then over here we have your cruise control with speed limiter. We have main beam and indicators on the left hand stalk. No right hand stalk, my friends, no right hand stalk. It's all done on that left hand stalk over there. Lovely LCD display on here. So this whole center setup gives you a reverse camera, also gives you front and rear parking sensors. It gives you DAB, FM, AM, Bluetooth phone, Bluetooth music, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can control all of your climate through this touchscreen as well. You've got heated seats in here, heated mirrors. It's quite comprehensive, my friends. Power start stop button here, electronic parking brake down here. We have the cup holder moved to the center there, or just off center, and then we have additional power for 12 volt USB and USB-C there as well. In between your seats, really clean and tidy. And that, my friends, is about it. Look at the steering wheel. Okay, you got an Austin Allegro steering wheel there. Showing my age there, aren't I? Yeah, it's a bit squarey-ish. Right. Now, there are 50 to 60 photos of this van on our website. Our website is vanstoday.com. We're Vans Today Worcester, based in the centre of the country, offering you nationwide delivery, part exchange and finance. If you're worried about who you're buying off, check out our reputation online. We have reviews, most importantly, on Google. We have presence on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and you're watching this video on our YouTube channel. So like and subscribe, Any queries, questions, give us a shout. We don't bite. Ciao for now. Thanks for watching.